Hey YouTube, well today I've got a good tutorial to show you. It's to get free movies and TV shows, and it's updated 2017 from the App Store, and as soon as you download it on your device you get to keep it forever. Basically this is what it is: movie times. So you click it, right, old boring movies, nobody wants to watch them. Right, if we go over to TV series in your right hand side, at the bottom on the left, click it, bang, you got all the new ones. Oh yeah. Right, from here, say if you want to watch the Grand Tour, which is new, just come out, we click it, go to episodes, click it, under that you got like a black bar, tick that, bang, it's going to take you to a website. But then if you don't want to watch that, you can just type in anything. So we'll pause that because it just plays straight away. Pause that. Say we want to watch the Blacklist. BLAL Blacklist LIST. Say we want to watch the Blacklist. Yeah, look, bang, all the seasons come up. So you want to watch the latest one, yeah. So you just click it, bang, I want to watch that, and it'll take you straight to it. And then you press play, and Bob's your uncle, but I'm going to stop it. I'm not going to play it. Stop it. And then you got all the series in it. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up on your way out, like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you get all the latest videos, and I will bring you to the latest how to watch movies and TV shows without a jailbreak, and you get to keep it on your phone if you download it now from the App Store. If you don't do it now, you may have to pay for it, and that's a no-go with me. I like everything for free. Right, see you later guys.